In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open TradingView Chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the TradingView homepage into the main charting workspace, called Supercharts, quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. This is the official site where all of TradingView's tools live. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner for the Sign In option. Click that and use your existing credentials to log in. You can sign in with your email and password or with a connected account if you've set that up before. If you're new and see prompts to create an account, go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. A basic account is enough to open and view charts. After you sign in, you'll typically see your profile icon or initials in the top bar, confirming you're logged in. Now that you're signed in, focus on the top navigation menu. Hover your mouse over the Products tab. A drop-down will appear with different tools TradingView offers. In that list, click Supercharts. This is the main charting interface, and it's where you'll do most of your technical analysis, view price action, and organize watch lists. A quick note. Depending on updates or regional layout variations, it may load under a slightly different label. But Supercharts is the standard entry point for the full charting workspace. When Supercharts opens, you'll land in a clean, powerful charting environment. The chart window takes center stage. Around it, you'll notice toolbars with drawing tools, timeframes, and display settings. You're not making any changes yet. Think of this as your home base for chart analysis. If a default symbol appears, that's normal. The platform loads a commonly viewed market so you can see the workspace right away. If you get a brief loading spinner, just give it a second. It's pulling in market data and layout elements. Here are a few quick tips to make your life easier without changing anything else. If you plan to use Supercharts often, consider bookmarking the Supercharts page so you can jump back in with one click after signing in. If you ever find the layout looks different, make sure you're signed in. Logging in ensures your preferred workspace appears consistently. And if the page doesn't load correctly the first time, a simple refresh usually resolves it. That's it. Go to tradingview.com, sign in, hover over Products, and click Supercharts. With those two actions, you're inside the main charting interface and ready to explore. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your charting.